Hello, friends, and welcome back to Nova. I am so happy you are here. Today, we have a new story for you. It is about travel, adventure, and making mistakes. Today's story is called The Wrong Bus. Let's begin. David was a tourist. He was visiting the city of Rome. He loved art and history. One morning, David wanted to go to the museum. He looked at his map. The museum was far away. He needed to take a bus. He went to the bus station. The sign said, "Bus number 5 goes to the museum." David waited. It was very hot. After 10 minutes, a blue bus came. David was in a hurry. He did not look at the number. He got on the bus and sat down. The bus moved. David watched the streets. The old buildings were beautiful. 20 minutes passed. David started to feel worried. The city was ending. He did not see tall buildings anymore. He saw only trees and sand. David went to the driver. He asked, "Excuse me, does this bus go to the museum?" The driver laughed. "The museum? No, sir. This is bus number 50, not number 5. We are going to the beach." David was shocked. "Oh no, I took the wrong bus." The bus stopped. The doors opened. David smelled the sea. The ocean was blue and beautiful. People were happy and swimming. David looked at his watch. It was late. The museum closed at 5 p.m. David smiled. He thought, the museum is open tomorrow, but today is a beach day. David got off the bus. He bought ice cream and walked on the sand. He made a mistake, but he had a great day. You did a great job listening. Sometimes we make mistakes, but we can still have a good time. It is time to practice together. What city was David visiting? Where did David want to go one morning? How long was David on the bus before he started to feel worried? What did David see that made him realize the city was ending? What was the actual number of the bus David was on? Where was bus number 50 going? How did David feel when the driver told him he was on the wrong bus? What time did the museum close? What did David decide to do after realizing his mistake? What is the main lesson of the story, The Wrong Bus? Excellent work today! You are getting better at English every day. I hope you enjoyed this story. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to Nova for more stories. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.